Situated in West Hills and backing onto the golf course, this beautiful home by New View Designs was built with energy efficiency and accessibility in mind.
Welcome to 110 Stonehill Lane.
First off, we have the open concept great room with 17-foot vaulted ceilings and a dry bar.
The striking kitchen features a large island, quartz countertops, and its own walk-in pantry.
The space also features a beautiful natural gas fireplace and access to the back deck,
overlooking the golf course.
Down the hall is the mudroom, which accesses the garage and offers main floor laundry.
The primary suite features a luxurious ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet.
This spa-like space has a large double vanity, a European-style shower, and a beautiful soaker tub.
Finishing off this level, we have 2 bedrooms and the home's main bathroom.
The home is built to net zero standards with an ICF foundation and a forced air heat pump.
The lower level is roughed in for a bathroom and 2 more bedrooms, awaiting your finishes.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 110 Stonehill Lane,
visit frederictonhomes.com.